Hello everyone. The first time I'm recording an unboxing video. Let's see, and please bullshit mouth. So I recently ordered C50, I think on the day of its launch, and today I finally got it. Thank you, Bluarmor. I can understand it took time for them because they received a good demand, I think more than what they expected, and that's why they took like from October, and today is 28th of November. So just understand like they took a good time to actually deliver it. Though we paid the money in advance. I'm just checking what's there. Okay, this is a box which I received from Bluarmor. Cool. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Cool. Two cameras, just to have a better recording, better angle. One is 360. It's a 360 which I use normally for my videos, and I'm also using my iPhone 14 Pro. Okay, so Bluarmor's C50 Pro. It has a lot of features. It's waterproof, all weather ready. So let's open it. I think that's a better way. You guys can Google it also. So it has a seal like this. Let's open it. I think I didn't even do the unboxing of my Sena. Though I have ordered from Europe, that's why. Okay, cool. So it is like this. Okay, so it has its device come like this. So these are the headphones, mic. Okay, this is the device, and this is the toggle switch which is newly introduced. So that will be mounted on your motorcycle so that you can actually control it. Yeah, I want to try it. Though I ride Africa Twin, so I have some features which are enabled. But I think in future, if I'll go with a different motorcycle or if I'll buy another one, I'm going to install this part. So it has and also it has one more mount in it. So let's see. This is one. I think it is for. It has this switch. Yeah, it's a kind of a joystick. And it has a button also. But you answer it. There are multiple videos available online. People who were in Bangalore who received it in advance. I think they already have it. So I don't want to go into much detail. I'm just unboxing it. What is there? Because I think few of my rider friends also bought this one. Speaker spacer form. Then it has the rear flap, mag dock wipe. So let's see what it is. Okay, it's a case. A rubber one. Good rubber. T sticker, that's a Velcro sticker. There's also some I think for cable. It's a good way. At least it is not hanging on your helmet, so that's a good thing. Then we have the stick strap mount. So I think this is something which can be mounted on, can be strapped. It has a strap, and I think this will be on your handlebar. So that is there, and let's close it. Okay, I think I got a call in between, so I had to stop the video. But yeah, so I think before you go into the device, I think first I'll go here. So it has the speakers. Okay, so these are the speakers. The best part is modular, so that's a very good thing. You just have to plug in and it will be easier. Like mic can be plug it in, speakers are good. Okay, plug it in, so there's no like length issue. You don't have to like struggle a lot to get it plugged in. It also has a cable, that's a C-type cable. I have to check why it is there. nothing is mentioned here. They have also mentioned the harness, and this is the harness which they have for okay. So I'm expecting like this will be like this, and it will go in different directions, all color, like it will be easier to plug it in. I'm thinking what way this will be. Wait, because I think this is separate. Then we have a mic which is separate. No, yeah, this will be mic. Yeah, you have this also. You can use it as a mic. Okay, cool. So this is there. So we understood like the usage of C-type cable. Okay, now the main device. So this is the device. Not very small. So this is the device, and this is this. It says C50. It is the device ID, then Bluarmor C50, Bluarmor, Bluetooth 5.3, 5 watt, 1.0 ampere. And this is the thing which will be mounted at the back of the helmet. And I think what I'm suspecting is like it will be plugged in like this. Oh, nice. Did you guys see? And you just do like this, and then you put it. Oh, so and now it is clipped. And if I unplug it, so this is the device, and this is the back one. Oh. Okay, cool, that is there. Then we have all the details about the components, how it will be attached. It has also at the back steps, how to turn it on, the connections and everything. That's a good thing. Quick starter guide, I think that is also provided. How to use the toggle switch, the pairing. I think most of the things are paired through Bluetooth. Okay. The sticks, how to stick the user stick. Then we have something, okay, this is, I think this needs to be pasted on somewhere, but it has a clip, so I think this will be on your helmet. You have extra device, then you have a charging. You have a very good, oh, this is nice, this is nice. So they have provided 2 pouch, and just to keep this device, it is good. You just put it in and carry it. Okay, so I think that was the unboxing video. I might record when I will be mounting it on my helmet. Not soon, because I'm currently using, like on my claim helmet, I'm using Sena. And for the other device, the other helmet which I'm using, that is LS2. For that, I am currently using Bluarmor. Yeah, whenever I'll be doing it, I'll definitely create a video and share it with you guys. But yeah, what I was about to say in the beginning was, there is an advantage of buying these intercoms. Like, okay, people say like intercoms are like, you're spending a lot of money. Why should you buy an intercom? You should not, like, even your headphones can be able to perform the same actions, right? I agree if you are just using your the purpose of your usage is only dependent on taking phone calls and this, I think only phone calls and listening to music, right? But when you're actually traveling in a group, you need these kind of intercom devices to actually be coordinated. There has been instance in my group when, because of people who are not connected on intercom, they missed the turn. Even we had to stop for them, or even we were not able to coordinate with them, right? And with intercom, it is like, okay, when you're traveling, you can guide everyone all together. You don't have to stop. You can use less hand signal. You can have more concentration on your motorcycle and on the road, and you just use your mouth and your eyes to convey your messages, right? Eyes means, okay, looking at things and then just communicating it through your mouth. And these kind of things helps a lot. So yeah, that was it. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.